I'm going to give you a walk around in the 2006 Nissan Frontier Nismo. This truck's a one owner, no accident, with 149,000 miles. It has fog lights, it's Cooper tires. Show you the tread. These are almost brand new tires. Let's take a look at the inside. For the most part, the interior is in really good condition. You can see some wear on the driver's seat here. This can be fixed. This truck has power windows, power locks. It has rear locking differential, so you can take this truck off-road. Has a sunroof. We'll move to the back. I don't see anything in the back as far as wear and tear that you need to know about. It seems to be in really good condition. It does have a bed liner. We have a dent here above the rear tire. I believe this is the only dent on the truck. Zoom out, give you the side view. It is equipped with a tow package. These 4.0 V6s are very good with towing. Great utility trucks. There's our Nismo badging. No dents and dings on this side to show you. Now we'll get you a shot of the dash with the truck running. No lights, no tire sensor lights, check engine lights. If you would like more information on this truck, give me a call or text me. It's 256-891-5999. This truck has a 90-day powertrain warranty, and if you would like to extend that warranty, you're free to do so. Thanks.